So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can use a trunk function in Microsoft Excel. A trunk function is a function which helps to remove the number of decimal places and also the fraction and any other part of the number that you want to eliminate. So in this case, I have a sample data provided on my worksheet, and I'm going to use the trunk function, especially to tackle the values under the column of efficiency. When you look at the efficiency, I have very good numbers of decimal places. For example, when you look at the first value here, you realize that I have around the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 decimal places. And then when you look at the second one, I think I also have 9 decimal places. So, but how can I eliminate all these number of decimal places? Maybe to I remain with one, or I don't remain with any. I only remain with the whole number. So I'm going to be using the trunk function, and here is how we can do that. So I will first and foremost select one of the cell which is going to I will select the column which is going to display the outcome. So in that column on the first cell, I'll go ahead and type equal sign. Equal sign will tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. Then from there, I will type the name of the function, which is the trunk function. When you type the name of the function, of course, this function is fetched from the function library in Microsoft Excel, and this function it removes the decimal or fraction or any other part of the number. So by putting the function, I have to put the number of my target. In this case, the number is 1.6470 58824. But it is wise, instead of putting the lateral value, I can put the cell reference, because the cell reference is the cell identifier of the real value that I want to deal with. So in this case, I'm going to write G8. So by writing that, of course, the whole cell will be selected, and then from there you can put a comma and put how many number of digits do you want, like how many decimal places do you want to remain with. For example, I can put 2. So when you put 2 and then you close the bracket and then you press enter, now you can see that all the other these other values will have to calculate automatic, and you can see now all this has eliminated all the other number of decimal places and has only maintained 2 number of decimal places, because that's what I put in my function. In case I remove these 2, it means it's only going to consider the whole number, and all the decimal places will have to be removed. For example, if I press enter, now you can see in all the rows, you can see each and everything has been calculated and the number of places have been eliminated. I only have the whole number. So this function helps us to organize our data, make our data in a better way, so that you don't have a number of places which are not necessary. You can use that to always remove them. Thank you so much for now. Let's catch up in the next video.